Hey guys, what's up everybody? This is Rafat from Make Way for Tech, and today I'm gonna show you how you can earn $20 to $100 just by completing small tasks. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, just click on this subscribe button. Okay, now moving forward to the video.
Like a Hellcat.
So you have to open this website in your browser, your mobile browser or your desktop, picoworkers.com. You can find the link in the description. So once you open this website, you will see this interface. Now what you have to do is at the right top corner, you will see sign up and login buttons. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up and fill in your details. If you already have an account, click on login and fill in the details to login. Once you log in, you see this dashboard. There is find jobs, my task, my jobs, wallet, then my profile. This is my balance and this is the pending amount. So there is no pending amount. Now you have to click on find jobs. Once you click on this find jobs, you will see the find jobs page. Now this is the job, crisp sign up. You have to sign up on crisp, for which you will get 10 cents. Now this is YouTube subscribe. This for this job, if you subscribe someone on YouTube, you will get 4 cents. So as you can see, there are 496 jobs available right now. You can complete these jobs and earn money for that. So I'll show you an example by completing a job. I'll click on this YouTube subscribe. So as you scroll down, you can see excluded countries: Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, Nepal and Sri Lanka. These countries are excluded from doing this job. So there are some jobs which are available in all the countries, but for some jobs, some countries are excluded. So these are the countries excluded. If you have a YouTube account outside these countries, you can subscribe and earn money. Otherwise, you can just click on this back button and look for another job. So when you scroll down, you can see what is expected from the worker. This is expected. Go to my video. This is the video link. I'll just copy it. Now what the second point says: subscribe. I will be admin. Now second point is we have to subscribe it, and third point is if you are already have done this channel subscribe, please use other YouTube account. Channel profile must be used. Do not use profile which says I cannot pay. Okay, so we have to subscribe to this account. Sign in. So as you can see, I have already subscribed to this channel. Now I'll come back over here. Now I'll scroll down and see what are the required proofs. Your YouTube channel name, your YouTube channel URL or link. YouTube channel name. Submit your proof below, your YouTube channel name. We just have to type our YouTube name so we can check whether we have subscribed or not. So this is the name. So I'll paste it here and I'll scroll down. click on submit proof. So you also need the picture. You also needs the YouTube channel URL. So as you can see, this will be our YouTube channel link. We'll copy it from here and we'll paste it here. And then we'll submit proof. So once you complete all the points, you have to submit it. Then as you can see here, pending. It shows 4 cents are pending. So once the employer approves that the job was done properly, this amount will come here in the balance. Now there is also, I'll show you one thing. You can also refer your friends and earn on this website. So as you can see here, affiliate program at the bottom, just click on that and you can read all this. You can read all this if you want, so you can get an idea. So I'll show you. Go to account settings and you have to find the referral link. So when you come in programs and offers, you can see your affiliate link. You have to copy this link and you can share it with your friends and you can share it on the social media. So you get 5% from each deposit or task. If your friend or the one who clicks on your link, if they complete one task and if they earn $1, 5% will be given to you. So if they earn $1, you earn 5 cents. If they earn $1,000, you earn $50. So as you can see, I have 2,475 users in my downline, but they are not working much. So that's why today I have only $5. So I'll show you how you can withdraw this amount. Go to wallet, click on withdrawal. You must have over 5.40 without signing bonus to proceed. Withdrawals are proceeded within 10 business days of placing a request. Okay, so I'll click on request withdrawal. I'll choose PayPal. There's a fees of 7%. So it says I don't have enough funds, as you can see here. So minimum withdrawal is $5 plus you should have 50 cents as a balance and 7% fees. So this is not enough. No problem. Next time I will show you the withdrawal process as well. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. Thank you.